Team captain. First time. How are you taking that?
For me, it's good. I finally have time on my hand. Normally, I'm competing in 2 events, so I really don't have any time on my hand. So the fact that I'm just competing, I just competed in the 100 meters, that means I have a lot of time to accommodate the athletes if they want to ask any questions or need any way of assistance. So for me, it's been good still. I haven't really done anything much.
So we'll move away from that. I'll come back to the build-up coming into London. Personally, I believe that after Rio last year, you unplug. You never plan for do nothing. And my inside information is that you pretty much been cruising. Is that the case? Are people reading too much into it? Did you really unplug and just decide, so, okay, I'm going to give the fans what they deserve?
For me, if I come to a championship, I always train hard to come to a championship. I've had my ups and downs through the season, and I think one of the main things I feel contributed to me probably losing is that I didn't actually train for the 200. So I didn't have that extra background work that I normally have for the 200 meters. So it was just on the 100 meters. So the setbacks that I had throughout the season really was hard on just me running 100 meters. I think my body's not used to just competing over one event. So when I actually got to the championship, I wasn't in the shape that I'm normally in. Because normally I run myself into shape throughout the rounds, but for some reason it was not the case this year, and my start did not come together.